Alright, I'm gonna film two Armstrong air conditioners today. Here we have an Armstrong Air Pro series. It's like a data sheet somewhere. So these letters, I think, are what tells you what years this from. So those two. So according to those two letters, this is probably made from 2019. This is pretty new. And here we have a normal Armstrong Air. Also 2019. Yeah. Interlink fan motor on that. This one also has interlink fan motor. And yeah, those are the air conditioners here. What's like kind of like a condo?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's condo. That's it for today's HVAC video.